because I also want to switch gears and put out these live images right now on our screens that are coming in of the Prime Minister, who's chairing an all-important meeting about the CBSE exams. Yes, we are keeping our eyes focused on both the issues right now. But as I said, this is again one issue that has dominated headlines for the last many days. Will the CBSE board exams of class 12th actually happen? Those are images of the Prime Minister there, understanding from different stakeholders. Remember, the stakeholders here are not just the agencies that are going to be taking these exams, whether that is the ICSE board or the CBSE board, but these are also different states. Now, I did see the other ministers there, including Prakash Javadekar, Piyush Goyal. We see all of them there on our screens, Niranjan. What more do we know? The meeting is already on.
Well, all senior ministers are present there, and I think the government is taking this very seriously. These are live pictures coming in. And we were hoping that today there would be some decision, because we were given to understand earlier when the meeting took place on the 23rd, I think that was Dipti, when the centre and state education ministers met. Now, they gave us an indication that on the 1st of June a final decision would be taken. Even back then the Prime Minister had met had met the education minister, had received a brief from officials on the different possibilities of the outcomes of the CBSE examination, the different scenarios, the suggestions in front of them. And he had said that the state should be taken on board. A decision, whatever is taken should be a collective one. And today we were supposed to get that decision. I don't know, I don't see the education minister here. But earlier he was taken to the hospital at AIIMS. He was hospitalized after being detected with post-COVID complications. But I think the important point is the Prime Minister stepping in, he's taking stock, and he's been briefed on all possible solutions. Some of those solutions even include the option of reducing the time of each paper from 180 minutes to 90 minutes. So that it could become 1.5 hours. Some states have already taken measures to cancel some of the state boards, that is. So tough call in front of the CBSE board and the centre, because it comes under the centre, and over 1 million students will be directly affected. The future of 1 million students at stake. So that's why it's all the more tricky. Let's see where the story goes. Keeping a very close track, Deepthi, because this decision, whenever it's taken or whenever it's announced, will impact over 1 million students directly.
Okay. All right. Niranjan, again, this is through sources. They say that there are actually 2 proposals right now under consideration. Let's tell our viewers, in fact, a lot of these students are looking at these images right now and wondering what's happening. The proposal 1 under consideration by the Prime Minister and the Government of India says that board exams were to be held for 19 subjects, including major subjects, each from arts, commerce, medical, non-medical. Students were to go to their exam centres as allotted by the board. Under this proposals, exams could be held in August and conclude by September. This is the first proposal that sources tell us that is under consideration. Now, under the second proposal, it has been suggested that exams can be held in areas where COVID-19 cases have declined. It says that in areas where exams were not held, they could be conducted again after 15 days. In case if a student is unable to appear for exams on the set dates, they will be given a second chance. In this case, question paper will be set electronically. So as Niranjan there outlined, and as Republic again and again, remember, has been telling you that you are looking at the government right now, Niranjan, looking at these 2 significant proposals. The proposal first says, let's have the exam perhaps in August, they could conclude by September. The other possibly looking at a staggered manner of taking exams.